I'm going to fill in this area. I'm going to fill in that area, and it's a big hole, so there's a missing piece, and I'll fill in some other smaller areas. So first, what you need to do is back that up, and this time I'll use masking tape. You can use other kinds of tape. Regular tape is fine. I'll tape from the inside. Just cover it up. And then from this side, you need to, I've already mixed this up. So this is Tonoko and basic lacquer. I don't recommend using flour. Flour jumps back out of the repair too much, so just try to leave the mixture in the area only. Don't let it spread out all over the place. Also, you want to make it at least flush. If it's too far down, you have to go back in later and fill it back in. Okay, here's another area, and I'll fill that in. This area is still a little low, and you want enough filler so you can sand down. You can't sand up, so. There are small cracks too I need to fill. Again, you shouldn't use flour for this because the flour doesn't go in as nicely. It's spongier, so. The smaller, the more detailed you fill, smaller cracks you fill, the better your repair will look. Okay. Okay. I could do the inside, but the outside is too difficult to handle, so I'll leave it there and let it dry, and then do the inside later. I'll also fill the cracks on this cup. This is partially repaired. This already has lacquer on it. This is not bad, but the inside is difficult to see, but it's not very good, so. This is the same kind of repair. This whole area is missing. So what I did is I taped the inside. I taped this inside. First I put a piece of baking paper, so like waxed paper here, and then I taped over the paper to give a smooth finish. it would have been better to tape this side, to put the paper and tape this side, because that way you get a completely smooth finish here. And the reason I didn't is it's more difficult to apply this medium to the inside than it is to the outside. But the outside would have looked better. I'm just going to fill in a little bit on this. So. Always try to preserve your edges. These edges, if they're clean, it's easy to clean up after. If they're not clean, it's very difficult to see where the ceramic ends and where the repair begins. So I always try to keep these edges as clean as possible. Okay, this is too hard, I can't use it. Okay, right now that's good. I will put both of these pieces into the dryer and I'll take them out a little later. Actually, I'll clean this up a little bit more. Okay.